Good morning. I'm going to try and provide you with a quick demonstration on how to add your content from another course into your current course. We're going to use the Digital Dynamic class. Um, you have to go to your home page and find the menu to the right. You're going to import existing content. Click on. You go to import content. You have to select copy a Canvas course, and then you select the course that you want to copy. For us, I'm just going to copy at random. You can either copy all of the content or select specific content. For this demonstration, I'm going to do select specific content, and then you can adjust out any due dates by shifting the dates from one to another or by removing dates altogether. I'm going to click removing dates altogether, and then I'm going to click import. This will take some time, short sometimes, but it's waiting on you to select content that you want in the course. So you have to click select content, and then you would go to wherever you want, whatever it is that you want to select. Let's do syllabus and select. Now it's being queued. It's going to say run, and what you want it to do is say complete. Now it's ready for you to go into the course where you put it and to make any adjustments that you need. So we put it in our home page. So we should be able to see syllabus. Now from the class that I've just brought in, and here it is. This is the entire module. Everything came over. I'm unpublished it so it doesn't confuse anybody. But that's it, and it's there. Now we'll go back and show you how to import, doing the same thing. Copy a Canvas course. You want to select, what did we do? We did intro. Yep, we did intro. I'm not going to do all content, but all content brings everything over. Select specific content, and we're going to adjust out. So the last time I removed all dates, this time we're going to shift the dates, and we're going to import. We'll do the same thing with the syllabus. Oh, wait. I did syllabus, sorry. And select. Now it's running. It'll be copied, and now it's complete. We can go back to our course. Well, okay, so we imported the syllabus. So we're going to go and click on that. And here's the course syllabus from my previous course into the new course. Now, if you wanted it to make changes to it, you would just go in and edit by clicking on the edit button, and you can remove anything that you want, make your updates, and update. That's all. I hope this was helpful.